Hello guys, in this video we will see very important command for AutoCAD which is Fillet and Chamfer in 3D. So first we are going to create into 3D, 2D into 3D. So you can see this is my basic drawings which I have created, and as per your requirement you can also create. And first we will convert into 3D. So I am taking press pull command, PRESS press pull, and converting into 3D. Okay, so just is for make you understand, I'm taking by default length and height. So okay, and after that we will provide property for making the difference. So I'm taking properties and converting into color object. Okay, I'm providing color to the object. It will be more visible to you if I will provide the color. Okay, now I have completed the color. So now I will take fillet. So fillet, search fillet, and I'm taking multi. So multi, and if you will not select multi, so it will be, the command will be work one time, and if you will select multi, so it will be, the command you can use more than one time. So okay, I'm taking multi and taking the radius. I'm taking radius 30 I'm taking. Okay, so press enter, select your object, select your corner. Okay, press enter, again enter. You can see this is a very easy command to provide the fillet. And after that we will see here. So again I'm taking multi. This time I want to change my radius, that's why I am taking again, and I'm taking the radius 80. Press enter, select your object, press enter, select your corner, press enter. You can see this is a very easy command. Okay, and I'm providing on this corner, so you can easily understand actually what the process is. Press enter, again press enter. You can see. Okay, and this is a very useful command if you are working in 3D. So I'm selecting this corner, press enter, press enter. You can see this is going to, like, because the radius is more than. Okay, so this is a method to use. Now I'm going to see chamfer. Okay, now we are going to see chamfer. So press CH, chamfer. Okay, and take multi. And there are two methods to provide and create chamfer. Okay, so first is a distance and second one is angle. So first we are taking distance. So I'm taking first distance, which is 30, and second is 30. Okay, and select your object, select your corner. This is asking for this. If I will select this one next, this it will select this surface. If I will next this surface. Okay, so I am pressing OK, and press OK again, press OK, select your corner. Okay, you can see this is a chamfer command. Okay, again you can use this command because I have taken multi. Okay, press enter again, select corner, press enter. You can see, and again you can use on this for this corner. Okay, select object, press enter again, select the corner, press enter. You can see. Okay, so this is a very easy command if you are working in 3D. So, and now I will take angle. So I'm taking angle, and I'm taking 45 degree, and second is 45. It is asking for the chamfer first from second. Okay, I'm taking 45. So you can see, select object. Okay, press enter again. It is asking for the corner, press enter. You can see this is a 45 and 45. Okay, so this is a very useful command if you are working in 3D. So I have also created the video on 2D how to provide chamfer in 2D sketch, so you can watch and learn. Please follow, like my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.